Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am so excited to share with you guys because I'm going to be giving you some updates on the condo and just how things are coming along. Really, I have been having the best time decorating everything. With the old place, I feel like I never really put my full spin on it, but with this place I'm honestly just going all out and really letting my taste shine through, making it my own, having my own style, and it's been really fun. So I have gotten a lot of stuff done since the last time I showed you what was going on here. I honestly don't remember the last thing I showed you guys. I feel like it was an empty, or when we were moving, so it was pretty empty. I'm gonna give you a little tour of some of the rooms that are coming along really nicely that I'm actually happy with. So the living room is for starters, as well as my office. So all of that said, we're gonna get started with the living room first. All right, so here we have the full view from afar of the entire living room, and I am just so happy with how things are coming along. And I'll just go through sort of everything with you. We have the most beautiful fur baby in the world back there for number one. We just got our TV hung up there last weekend or the week before. I still have to conceal the cords, so we're gonna figure out a way to conceal the cords. So other than that, I'm loving how that is up there. And another thing is getting end tables. So I do have end tables ordered that will go on either side of the couch. I'm obviously not going to be keeping a Keurig box as my end table. All right, so one thing that I really wanted to get brand new in this place was a new couch, because the couch we had at our old place was actually my parents'. They had gotten that couch as a wedding gift, so it was quite old and it was great for the time being. We had a lot of hand-me-down things in our first apartment, whereas this place, like, I really wanted to just make things my own a little bit more. So this is the couch that I ended up going for here, and this is from Leon's. Now I absolutely love the color of it. I love the style of it. I love how the lines are very clean. It's a very sleek couch, and I also love the legs of it. I love the wood feet. I just think that's super nice. So yeah, it's more of like a taupe color. You can see the close-up of it there. And I got some black pillows here from Ikea. Getting black pillows was definitely not the smartest choice with a German Shepherd who sheds everywhere, but I love the contrast of the black against the lighter taupe of the couch, and I feel like it just anchors the room a little bit more. So loving the black. Will deal with the dog fur. So over here on this side of the room, I ended up getting the matching chair with the couch. Originally, I was thinking about getting a different chair and having mismatched furniture, but then I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go with the matching chair that goes along with the couch, and then popped a black pillow on there as well. And I really do love the chair, and I'm really happy that we went ahead and got the matching chair to go along with the couch. Now here you can see my lovely rug, which I am so obsessed with. I really wanted a rug that was quite neutral with subtle color accents coming through, and I saw a lot of rugs that were very similar to this, but they were just like too colorful for me. And then I ended up finding this one here, and I thought it was perfect. Literally exactly what I was looking for. I love the print on it. I love the subtle little bits of color that are just coming through. And I found it on homedepot.com. Went to check out, did all of the stuff, and then realized literally at the very end it was homedepot.com, not .ca, so it was in the States. And I couldn't order it, and I was literally gutted. I literally searched the internet high and low, like, where can I get this rug in Canada? And then I ended up finding it on overstock.ca, and it was the size smaller. This is the 5x8. I originally wanted the 6x9, but I think the 5x8 works perfectly in here, and I'm so happy with the rug there. So that was my little rug fiasco that I went through. Here I have the little coffee table. So this I actually got secondhand on Kijiji. So Kijiji is a Canadian Craigslist type of website, basically, where you can buy used furniture and whatever. They have a whole bunch of stuff on there. So I ended up finding this wooden table, and I got this. This was probably the first, yeah, this was the first piece of furniture that I got for the whole place. And I really love how this looks in this room. I love the darker wood. It just adds some warmth to the room alongside the lighter furniture. So I do love having the darker accents, and I really love the metalwork and all of the hardware on this coffee table as well. So it has some cool handles on the side, and it also lifts up, so there's a lot of room for storage. I put all of like the movies and things like that we're keeping. Obviously all of the Friends seasons because that's my fave. Now over by the TV, I have a little aloe vera plant that some of our friends got us when we moved in, and this little guy here is just a little owl. He's super cute. You can put a candle inside of him, and I picked him up when I was in Taiwan last year. I just think he's so cute, so he kind of watches over the room from there. Over here, this is an Ikea bookshelf that I actually just picked up, and I'm so happy with how it looks there. I wanted this exact bookshelf from Ikea, and I measured out the space beforehand and knew it was gonna literally fit that wall perfectly. What I love about this here is that the black, because the rug and the couches are quite light and neutral, the black really does help to anchor this entire room, just bring everything together and make it feel so much more complete. That's exactly what it does. Honestly, I was so happy once it was set up. It felt just more like home once this was put here. Now I haven't completely styled it or set it up. This is kind of just a makeshift styling with things that I already had. And I'm honestly not gonna rush to style it either because I wanna collect pieces over time, especially if I do any more traveling. I love to just pick up little knickknacks and just have something that also has a story along with it. So I'm not gonna rush to completely set this up right now. I'm just gonna, find things as I go and sort of fill it up from there. But at the bottom, I do have 2 black baskets that are also from Ikea, and I just filled it with blankets and other little things that I don't really want on display. Okay, over here, this is just a pile of things that we just need to ignore for now. So the mirror is something that I still have on my list to get redone. And then those 2 baskets there, one of them's empty obviously because they're stacked together, and then the other one is set for donations. So yeah, that's what's going on over here. There's a lot of little areas that have just things tucked away that we still need to deal with. Starting off in the office, I wanted to have a clothing rack, so that's just something that we have set up back there. That's just great for when I'm filming and planning outfits. I can just have everything laid out there for me. Over here, I have a big mirror. This is my mirror from the old place. That's something that I do want to get a new mirror. I want to get one with a thick gold trim and a much bigger one. I just want a giant mirror so lots of light reflects, and then I'll just find a new home for that one right there, maybe somewhere in the bedroom. This chair, I'm literally obsessed with this chair here. I think it's so funky. Now I actually got this from a local store called Wiseman and Cromwell. So they do secondhand and vintage furniture and just funky little knickknacks for homes. And this one here is a 1960s/1970s chair. I believe they did the reupholstering there at the store, and I just love that chair. I'm so happy with that find. On the floor, little Max, and I always just leave a blanket on the floor for him since he likes to just be by my side all day, so yeah. Now the wallpaper I am just obsessed with. So this is a toile print. I think it's just beautiful. I love that it's black and white. I went for the black and white color here, and I just think it adds something so beautiful to the room. It makes it a little bit more elegant. Sorry, I just shut the curtains so you could see it a little bit better. So yeah, I feel like it just anchors this whole room. Like that is the statement of this room, and then everything else sort of just falls into place. So I'm really happy with that accent wall there. The wallpaper I found on Wayfair. I can link it down below if any of you guys are interested. Yeah, I've been obsessed with Wayfair. They have a lot of good stuff. So the curtains that are on that back wall actually came with the place when we moved in here, so I just haven't gotten around to changing them up yet, but I would love to get a big curtain rod up top and then have some nice drapes on either side. So this is my desk area over here. I'm really happy with this desk. I ended up finding this desk and the chair on Wayfair, and I love the 2 together. I just love that color of green, that emerald green with the velvet finish. It was super nice. Just ignore all of my messy cords under there. But yeah, I just love this desk so much. The bottom of the desk is almost like a brushed metal, so I love that. And then the top, we have the wood. And I really do like the wood because I feel like that helps to add some warmth to the office. So this area is going to change. I just have things put there for now. So I'm gonna do 3 pictures. I actually bought some frames from Ikea, and they are gonna hang perfectly over the desk. They're just simple. They're just very simple picture frames with a gold trim. So that's what's gonna go up there. Now right beside the desk, I have a bookshelf here, and this is from the Facebook Marketplace. I ended up finding it on there, and I jumped jumped on that real quick because I love it. The girl said she bought this shelf in Quebec City and I think it is so cute. I love the ends of it. So this honestly matches the desk perfectly because this is like a brushed metal as well, and it's literally like the exact same as the desk, as you can see. So I really lucked out in finding that. And this I just kind of quickly styled up with things that I had as well. I ended up finding a snake plant on Facebook Marketplace. Man, people sell everything on there. So I've literally been going crazy with that. So I found a snake plant, just some books that I wanted to put out, flowers, and then more books. So yeah, so that's pretty much my office space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little home update and sneak peek onto how everything is coming along. Let me know what you guys think of it all in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.